Ayan po, ano? Ayan. Okay, so, ako po ang inyong presenter, Maria Jeanette Sahonas. Ayan, so currently, andito po ako sa Toronto, Canada. Dito po ako naka-base ngayon. Though taga Baguio po ako. Ang aking roots ay sa Pangasinan po. So, lumaki po ako, nag-aral ng high school hanggang high school sa Pangasinan and then college po sa Baguio and then doon din po ako nag-build ng aking career. So, I had a background. Nag-work po ako sa corporate world as a telephone operator and at the same time as a customer service representative. I also ventured on broadcasting. So, I was a former anchor and promotions at Sky TV, Sky Cable Baguio. So, kung familiar po kayo sa Sky Cable, nandun po. So, nag-host TV hosting po ako noon and I was doing live actually and nagpo-promote din ng mga companies na who are promoting new products sa technology. And then I ventured on managing hotel and apartels. My sister used to own one and my uncle, so manage po natin yon. And also, may mga side hustle tayo. I am a feng shui consultant din. Yan. So, I'm a crystal healer. Ayan. So, sa mga lucky charms, so, familiar din po tayo dyan. So, Janet, bakit ang dami-dami mong racket? Well, it is all because I am a single mom for like 20 years. Alam nyo na, pag single mom, madiskarte, no? Pag single parent, not only single mom, kahit solo parent, no? Mapa father or mother man yan. So, ayun, so we try to venture kahit na hindi natin hindi natin gamay, we have to because merong 4 na bata na nakaasa sa akin. And then nung late 2000, yung aking second child nagkasakit and actually it was traumatic because she passed away. So it was then the reason kaya ako nag-migrate dito because I got scared. Sabi ko, ang hirap ng healthcare system natin sa Pilipinas. So natakot ako dahil talagang nasa ide. Alam niyo na pag nagkasakit ang family, right? So, yun, I have to do something. So, syempre nagtatalo yung puso't isipan natin, di ba? As a single mom, iiwanan mo yung 3 bata. Pero may alam nyo, may kapalit namang ano yun eh, di ba? Like, nag-usap talaga kami, nag-meeting. So, sabi ko, this is for all of you. Although masakit, syempre, hindi mo pwedeng ipakita na talagang naiyak ka. Di ba? Yung eldest ko, high school. So, siya yung bahala doon. Siya muna. And then, yun. So, to cut the story short, after 8 years, andito na rin yung mga bata except the eldest kasi may family po siya. So, it was hard getting out of that comfort zone. So, from sales, napunta ako sa healthcare. But then, we have no choice, no? Ganon. So, until now, nasa healthcare pa rin po ako, working with seniors, dealing with seniors, self-employed na po tayo, unlike before. So, nakawala na tayo dun sa first quadrant na employment, nasa self-employed na po tayo. And then, well, I am nearing on my retirement age, so I am 54. So, sabi ko, nako, 6 years na lang, senior na ako ah. And I have to do something naman for my retirement. So I have to choose myself and work on my retirement. And of course, build a legacy for my family. Of course, sa mga bata, alam niyo po, ang career na motherhood, lifetime yan. Agree ba kayo? 24 hours, walang overtime, lifetime, di ho ba? Ayan, so, ayun yung reason na kaya po ako andito sa Live Good. So, I am doing Live Good part-time yet with full-time attitude. And I am a mom entrepreneur, and currently I am in Platinum Rank. So the main reason why I joined Live Good for retirement, of course, for building a legacy, pero ang pinaka rason talaga is, of course, because I prioritize my health. I still worry about my kids kahit na malalaki na sila, mas matangkad sila sa akin. No, I still worry about them. That's why I'm I could see that this is the vehicle that I could do. Very doable, very simple. And I want to share this opportunity with you guys. No? Ayan, so I could see the clear vision of Live Good and I am so aligned with it. And gusto ko pong i-share sa inyo ang vision na nakita ko po sa Live Good. Okay lang ho ba sa inyo? Handa na po ba kayo? Di ba? Choppy ho ba ako? Hindi ho clear ang aking boses? Sabi ni Sir...
Clear.
Clear. Okay. Thank you, Coach Fernan. Ayan. Okay, so moving forward. Ayan. So ang company na pag-uusapan natin ngayon is Live Good. It is the membership that pays. So, kanina binanggit ko all about the subscription economy, all about the subscription model, and we are talking about usually ang subscription model. Usually, ito yung mga model ng mga memberships, no? Mga membership clubs. And I'm pretty sure familiar po kayo at babanggitin po natin kung ano yung mga common or popular memberships in the marketplace today. So number one dyan, ang Amazon or Amazon Prime. So Amazon siya during the time na hindi pa siya nasa model ng subscription. And usually binabayaran natin ng Amazon for like $14.99 per month or $139 per year. Isang popular membership din dyan is Netflix, right? So, itong mga ito actually yung babanggitin ko are also called disruptors. Bakit? Dahil dinisrupt nila ang ibang industriya. Like si Amazon, ano ang dinisrupt niya? Usually, pumupunta tayo sa mall o kaya sa grocery. But now, pwede ka nang mag-grocery, pwede kang bumili ng even furniture sa Amazon, right? So, dinisrupt po niya yan. Si Netflix, ano ang dinisrupt niya? Yung cinema, ang sinehan. Ngayon, you could watch movies, variety of movies, hindi lang pa isa-isa. And you only need to pay this membership na $9.99 or $15.49 or $19.99 per month. And what do you get in return? Wide variety of movies, no? So, even, alam nyo ba, I have a friend, no, from, isa siyang filmmaker, scriptwriter actually. Alam niyo po ba na sabi niya yung next project niya, makikipag-collab na siya sa Netflix kasi konti na ang tumatangkilik sa, ayan, sa cinema. So, they are collaborating with Netflix para ipalabas yung kanilang mga movies na produce, no? Ayan, si Sam's Club at saka si Costco. I am a member of Costco for 8 years. And I will never give up on my Costco membership. Bakit? Dahil yung binabayaran ko na $120 per year, alam niyo po, sulit na sulit po kung i-compare mo yung mga benefits na nakukuha ko being a member of Costco. One item alone, ito pong gamit ko na headset ngayon, nung binili ko sa Costco, it's only $69. Ngayon, naghahanap uli ako ng isa pa, out of stock na kasi naka-promo yan for a certain period of time. Pinapunta ako kung saan ako makakahanap sa isang mall. Double the price na siya. Online, ganun din dun sa company na nagbibenta niyan. So, isang product pa lang yan. 50% na. So, $60 ang savings ko with that. With this one product alone, no? At ang dami pa gadgets you can find anywhere, you can find everything sa Costco, no? Ang lawak niyan. Yan. And also, Disney Channel, isa naman siyang disruptor, kagaya ni Netflix, no? Dinisrupt din, syempre, yung cinema. Only that, ang difference niya with Netflix is, ang pinapakita sa Disney Plus ay yung mga movies na produce ng Disney Productions, and we get to pay $10.99 per month or $109.99 per year. So, furthermore, itong mga subscription-based companies na to, tignan nyo ha, yung mga members nila. 200 million members, 240 million members, 70 million members, 123 million members, 150 million members. So it speaks volume. We're talking about millions here, no? So ibig sabihin, with this kind of figures or with this kind of members, ibig sabihin nito talagang patok at talagang ang membership, yun ang pinapatronize ngayon or yun ang inaay talaga ng businessman. Why? Kasi nakita nila yung need sa economy, no? yung problema sa inflation, di ba? So, nakita nila ang trend na ang mga tao ngayon, they are moving away from what? Expensive things. They are moving away from expensive products. So, they are moving towards affordability and value. So, naghahanap tayo ng value for money. So, nakita nila na since namamayagpag o nagtathrive yung mga naunang mga memberships na to, then even other business people, nakita niyo naman, sabi ni David kanina, hindi lang Amazon, hindi lang Netflix, hindi lang Costco, hindi lang Spotify. Meron si Udemy sa education. Ano yung mga binanggit niya kanina? Meron yung isang subscription-based model na pati sa damit na pwede kang mag-rent. So, ibig sabihin, talagang membership clubs or subscription-based models are the trend, not only actually the trend, are the fastest growing business in the marketplace today. Kasi yun ang kailangan ng marketplace. And dito naka-align si LiveGood. So, tinap din ni LiveGood ang ganitong model and then in-infuse niya sa isang network marketing na ngayon tinatawag nga natin na LiveGood. Ngayon, eto ngayon ang good news, no? Based on sa mga nabanggit natin ng mga companies like Amazon, Costco, Sam's Club, Netflix, Disney, given the fact na merong discount, merong features, merong advantages sa mga to, they don't pay us. With LiveGood, they pay us. Kaya nga tinawag natin na LiveGood is the membership that pays. Now tell me, anong membership club ang sinalihan mo na babayaran ka? Diba? So yun ang edge natin. Yun yung isang rason kaya tayo angat sa iba because we are the membership that pays. Tatandaan nyo yan. Okay? Yan. And of course, para mas makarelate po kayo, konting trivia lang para mas lalong makita nyo at ma-appreciate nyo itong opportunity, itong company, itong binabanggit natin ngayon na subscription model na tinawag nating LiveGood. Let's go back nung nag-start si Amazon. So mga hindi nakakaalam, Amazon started on July 16, 1995 sa kanyang sariling bakuran in his own backyard with 250,000 na puhunan dollars, no? And Amazon started selling books online. So that was July 16, 1995. Now, in the early 2000s, nung nag-umpisa na siya na maging subscription model, nagkaroon ng Amazon Prime. By the way, I'm a member of Amazon Prime as well at nai-enjoy ko ang aking membership sa Amazon Prime kasi I get to have a free audiobook kasi binibigyan ako ng isang credit 1 month. So mamimili ako kung ano yung gusto kong book, pinapakinggan ko siya. So it is also food for the mind, di ba? And merong, anong tawag nito? Same day delivery o meron pang free shipping, no? And very minimum din yung membership natin sa Amazon Prime. So, during early 2000s, si Amazon expanded well beyond books. So, nag-venture siya sa videos and music, in-introduce niya ang clothing, electronics, toys, kitchenware, magazines, household products. Now, where is Amazon? You could find anything under the sun with Amazon, di ba? Mag-type ka ng isang item, alam mong unang i-redirect po sa inyo. Dito Amazon. So, ganun nakalaki si Amazon. Imagine, di ba? Yan. And now, i-relate natin naman kay LiveGood. Si LiveGood naman, nag-launch globally, take note, noong December 13, 2022, from Jupiter, Florida, with its business model as a wholesale membership club. Wholesale membership club, alam nyo naman pag binanggit natin yung word na wholesale, di ba? Siyempre talagang huge savings yan dahil nga wholesale, right? Ito, ang contemporary nito or kagaya nito is SNR na andyan sa Pilipinas, right? Yan. Okay, so si LiveGood is also the first home-based business opportunity that profit shares its membership revenue with affiliates, no? So, sinishare niya ang kanyang profit, no, sa mga affiliates. Now, who are those affiliates? Well, mamaya malalaman nyo, no? Because merong naka-attach na affiliate program kay LiveGood. At mamaya, isa-isahin natin yan. Okay, so uulitin ko. Para magkaroon ng retention, no? LiveGood is the membership that pays, and LiveGood's revenue comes from the membership and not from product sales. Naalala nyo kanina, I mentioned the word network marketing. So it is a membership club, pero ma-affiliate program because it also runs in a model of network marketing. So usually, I'm pretty sure familiar po kayo kung yung old model or traditional way of doing network marketing, right? Meron kang monthly purchases. Kailangan every month meron kang minimit na points, or kailangan mag-purchase din yung iyong mga group for you to be able to maintain your rank or for you to be able to get your commissions. Ngayon, dinisrupt ni LiveGood yan. Wala na pong ganon, no? So, wag ko kayong mag-alala dahil membership club nga po tayo, just like Amazon, Costco, Sam's, Netflix, and Disney, hindi tayo required na magbenta or mag-purchase ng products. Halimbawa, member ako ng Amazon Prime. Inuobliga ba niya ako monthly na, Janet, ngayong month, bumili ka sa Amazon, No. Sa Costco, Janet, this month, August na, kailangan mo mag-purchase para ma-maintain mo yung membership mo. No! Si Sam's Club, Netflix, Janet, kailangan mong manood ng ilang movie o kaya magbenta ka ng movie sa mga kakilala mo para ma-maintain. Wala pong ganon sa LiveGood, no? Ayan. Kasi po, nanggagaling yung revenue natin from the membership and not from the products. So, ibig sabihin, we could buy the products when we want it, when we need it, whenever we want it, no? At the time na gusto mong bumili. Gusto mong bumili na isa, go. Gusto mong bumili ng marami, go. Ayaw mong bumili, okay lang. Yan. So, yun ang pagkakaiba natin doon sa old Jurassic way or old model ng mga network marketing. So, ibig sabihin nun, we are fixing the broken industry of network marketing. Kasi ang nangyayari, the old model, no, kahit na affected na yung economy, hindi binabago yung old model of doing network marketing. So hindi na siya naka-align sa need ng economy. So yun ang dinisrupt ni LiveGood. It made sure that our membership club has all the access of getting low priced with the highest quality of products, and at the same time, wala tayong monthly requirement. O, di ba? Napakaganda. Isn't that exciting the first time na maririnig mo na, uy, bago to Parang hindi ako kailangang mag-purchase monthly. Yes, true enough. Because again, LiveGood's revenue comes from the membership and not from product sales. And alam nyo ba na ang ating first year, no, na numbers, it is record-breaking. Why? Because we have reached 1 million members on our 13th month. And currently, actually, papunta na tayo sa 1.5 million members. And we are joining, and hundreds of people are joining every hour. In fact, it was like, ang nagpi-free tour daw, every day, nasa 10,000, kakabanggit lang ni Nother kanina. And ang nag-rank up ang nag-join every day is 2,000. Saan ka naman nakakita ng ganyang company na every day may nag-join na 2,000 people? O ngayon pa lang, di ba? Pinapalakpakan yan. Nako, wala pong hype dito. Totoo yan. Nanggaling po, these are facts, Yan. Okay, so syempre, napaka-importante for you to be able, napaka-importante po sa atin that when we join a company, you have to find out who are the people behind the company. Napaka-importante yan. They are actually one of the key elements na binabanggit ni Eric Orr, number one na sinabi niya is the profile of the company. Who are the owners? Who are the people behind the company? Are they hiding in the bushes? May credibility sila? Ito yon. Okay, so I would like to introduce to you the mastermind of Live Good, the CEO of the company, Mr. Ben Glinsky, na merong more than 20 years experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry, and Ben knows how to help people win. So he is actually the primary reason bakit tayo nag-join, dahil when it comes to credibility, nako po, top-notch. And I joined his company before, and ang masasabi ko, talagang never na na-delay ang payout namin. And alam nyo ba na yung mga leaders natin, no, sa mga international leaders natin, nanggaling din doon sa previous company niya. So yun na lang ang basihan nyo na, do you think susundan nila si Ben kung hindi maganda ang track record ni Ben? Right? Yun na lang ang titignan nyo. No? And just to give you a background, si Ben ay isang network marketer din. And also, he is a consultant. Meron din siyang golf club. Meron din siyang, IT guy din siya. So he is an expert of doing compensation plan and marketing plan. So meron siyang team. Hindi nakasalalay yung, kumbaga ay hindi separate entity yung kanyang IT. Talagang in-house. So, ibig sabihin, hindi kagaya ng ibang mga companies na nako, pag halimbawa nakita nilang tumaas ang sales, makikipag-negotiate na, taasan mo naman yung ang aming pay. Dito hindi, dahil siya mismo is an IT guy. And yung mga IT niya are with him for like 25 years na binanggit niya yon in one of the corporate Zooms. No? So, given that personality, that character, and at the same time, yung napakagandang record niya, we could be rest assured that yung headship natin or yung leader natin, talaga namang mapagkakatiwalaan, and he has a love for the masses. No? And of course, with his co-founders, let's start off with Dr. Ryan Goodkin. He is the Director of Product Development. At the same time, meron siyang doctorate degree, no, in pharmacy, and meron siyang background sa science and nutrition, and also din siya, he is also a natural health practitioner. So ang ganda ng synergy ng kanyang career kasi pharmacist na siya and then natural health practitioner na siya. So alam niyang balansehin between the natural and doon sa technical side, dun sa medical side, no? And ang maganda sa kanya is he formulate the products for his family to use, and he is sharing it with us. Yun ang sinabi niya, no? And very meticulous siya pagdating sa mga ingredients ng mga products. Like, ang description ni Ben sa kanya, he is very detailed, he is very thorough, he is really very passionate in delivering talagang high quality products. He made sure na toxin-free, chemical-free, fungicide-free, and lahat malinis, no? Yan. And of course, with his partner, Miss Lisa Goodkin, as the Director of Product Education. So kung si Dr. Ryan is our formulator and the Director of Product Development, si Lisa naman is the Director of Product Education. So she breathes wellness, she breathes it, she lives it. So siya ang embodiment ng health and fitness, no? Yan. So she walks the talk, or she walks the walk, she talks the talks. Kaya if you want to know about ano ang magandang healthy lifestyle, ano ang pwede mong ipasok sa katawan mo, ano ba ang mga dapat kong gawin, dapat kong kainin, Lisa is the go-to person. Very responsive po siya. Yan. And of course, yung partner at friend ni Noder Kazan, friend ni Ben, si Noder Kazan, who is the Director of Field Development in the Legend of Network Marketing. Pag pinag-combine mo ang experience ni Ben at ni Noder, roughly mga 50 years na. So, what does it speaks? Pag ganyan na ang experience nila, then alam na nila kung ano ang sakit ng ganitong industriya. Alam na nila kung ano yung problema, challenges ng mga network marketers. At sila din ang nag-expose na ang isang product pala, pag manufacture, nasa $8 to $12 lang ang cost. Na ang nangyayari, pag pinasok mo sa isang network marketing, gina-jack up yan ng times 10, times 20, just to pay the distributors, no? Yan. So, in-expose nila yan. Sa Live Good, wala na pong ganun. We only have very lean profit. They made sure na yung mga products natin are with highest quality, lowest price, pero merong wholesale price siya. So, it delivers, it gives access sa masses, sa everyday people. Yun ang napakaganda. So, binago na rin yung paradigm na ay, pag mahal ang isang product, high quality yan. No, it doesn't mean, sabi nga ni Ben, it doesn't mean that when you have costly or high price product, a better quality. Because with Live Good, dinisrupt na rin yan that you could get affordable products with the highest quality. Yan. Diba? Talagang disruptor siya, diba? It's getting more exciting ang pinag-uusapan natin. Na-excite ba kayo? Pwede naman kayong mag-type kung na-excite po kayo, kahit konting heart, konting emojis, no? Ayan. And of course, kung si Amazon, ayan, nag-umpisa sa books. Si Live Good nag-umpisa sa high quality organic certified, very affordable natural products. Yan. Okay, so maraming salamat Ma'am Eden sa iyong heart. Ayan. So, ayan, ang kagandahan sa mga products natin, aside from having it wholesale, no? USDA certified pa yan, GMP approved pa yan, no? And my certificate of analysis. So, yung USDA certified, it made sure, USDA approved, it made sure na talagang dumaan yan sa ating FDA, no? And then yung GMP approved naman, it made sure na nakapasa dun sa standards, no? Na yung products, salmonella free ba yan, chemical free, yung mga tao, are they highly qualified, yung processes, maayos ba ang pagkakaproseso niyan, and then yung procedure, pag may binago, nire-record mo ba yan? So, magkaiba ang trabaho ng FDA or USDA doon sa GMP, no? So, kumbaga, to say it in layman's terms, si GMP, parang siya yung recipe. Okay? Recipe book. And then, si FDA, no? Na nag-implement ng nito is the agency. Siya yung principal. So si GMP, siya yung recipe. Si FDA, siya yung principal na nagmo-monitor kay GMP. Ganun po yun. Magkahiwalay po na entity po yun, ha? Hindi ho pareho. Okay. So, moving forward, ayan. So, para mas ma-appreciate nyo po yung sinasabi ko kanina that we have wholesale products, no? Or wholesale price products, mag-sample tayo ng 3 products natin sa Live Good and then i-compare natin sa ibang company para makita nyo yung price difference. So, we will be having price comparison. So, Super Greens, naku, napakaganda ng ating Super Greens. Andyan lahat ng powerful greens, ashwagandha, dandelion, ano pa, spirulina, barley, wheatgrass, and all other greens for only $18. Compare natin sa competitor, it's $99.99. Remember, we are USDA approved, GMP certified, and we have certificate of analysis, no? Yan, so protein, plant-based protein for only $22 versus $62.95. And our collagen peptides na very powerful at napakaganda for our skin, hair, nails, joints, bones for only $27.95 versus $79.96. That 3 products alone, we saved $174.95. Meaning, pag kinumpare mo ang products natin sa ibang company, ilan ang savings mo, 75% savings. Hindi po discount sa Live Good yan, ha. Savings natin pag kinumpare mo sa products ng ibang company. No, meaning, $1 save is $1 earned. So, mantakin nyo po yan. Yung tatlong products na yan, nakasave ka na po ng 174.95. Hindi ba? Pag kinompute mo yung savings mo na yan, no? I-convert mo siya sa pesos, makakapag-grocery ka na. Right? So, ganun kaganda ang product natin. Because we don't have price gouging, wala po tayong overpriced products. Okay? And furthermore, ito, tignan nyo. Nako, pag nakita nyo itong International Wellness Pack na free shipping, 6 na products. At yung products natin, hindi lang basta-basta products na just because may product. Hindi po, talagang lahat ng products natin ay yung in demand, yung kailangan po natin. Starting off with our complete multivitamin for men or women. Depende kung anong pipiliin nung nag-order. So, maganda to for ilang ingredients yan? 24 ingredients. At magkaiba ang vitamin ng men and women dahil magkaiba ang physiological need. Ang men, kailangan ng selenium for their prostate health. And ang women, kailangan ng iron for their menstrual loss. Yan. D3K2, the Sunlight Vitamin Plus. Ito pa, pwede din sa weight management. Ito pa, pwede sa immune support. Nako, hindi natin alam kung anong meron sa kapaligiran ngayon, no? So we need that. Ultra Magnesium Complex. Napakaganda po niyan, no? Pag bibili mo yun individual, it's $8.95. As compared sa iba, it's $60, no? And very powerful ang Ultra Magnesium Complex. Nakakailanganin niyo po dahil it is responsible for 300 chemical reactions in the body na pag kulang ka ng magnesium, ito, tatandaan nyo po to, pag kulang ka ng magnesium, it will lead to serious illnesses like diabetes, high blood pressure, heart ailment, at kung ano-ano pang mga sakit. No? So kung merong hindi balanse sa katawan mo, malamang deficient ka sa magnesium. And again, binanggit natin ang super greens kanina, right? That is also good for gut support, good for immune support, stress support, maganda din po yan. Organic super reds, para sa Of course, sa lahat ng may mga puso. That is good for your cardiovascular health dahil as we age, ano naman ang nadideplete sa atin, nakakaroon deficiency, our nitric oxide, no? And of course, our top seller, Factor 4, anti-inflammatory. The first ever product in the market na merong 4 na anti-inflammatory ingredients. Garlic, CoQ10, curcumin, fish oil, na kung sa marketplace, bibilin mo yan isa-isa. But with Live Good, pinagsama yan, and then nagkaroon ng Factor 4. Kaya tinawag na Factor 4. Bakit napakahalaga ng Factor 4? Dahil lahat ng root cause ng sakit nanggagaling sa inflammation. And saan nag-uugat ang inflammation, hindi ba sa loob ng katawan? That is why we need a Factor 4. Dahil hindi mo naman alam kung may namamaga sa iyo sa loob, right? Not even X-ray ultrasound, nakikita ka agad pag onset yan. So, tayo, preventative po tayo. That's why, even if wala ka man nararamdaman, napakaganda niyang Factor 4 na yan. Talagang, ako, i-vouch ko yan. Talagang, I cannot last a day without Factor 4. Okay, maganda din yan sa gout, maganda din yan sa arthritis, no? Sa chronic pain. Dyan talaga po ako, gumaling sa, nag-improve ang aking back pain. May sciatica po ako dati, ang hirap, yung long sitting, pag tayo mo, para kang matanda na. Gaganon-ganon, nawala na po yan because of Factor 4, believe me. I could say that, I am in the position to say that because I am the product of the product. So, itong 6 na product na to, how much lang? $89.95, free shipping, worldwide. Now, why do you have to try the product? Sabi natin, Janet, sabi mo, hindi naman pwedeng, hindi tayo obligadong bumili ng products. Pero alam nyo po, hindi pwedeng hindi mo siya i-try dahil napakaganda niya talaga. And I doubt na wala pa kayong nararamdaman, especially at my age, no, nasa 40, 50s plus, tapos hindi healthy ang diet nyo, naku, kailangan nyo po ng supplementation. Supplementation is non-negotiable. Supplementation and being healthy is a commitment to your health. It is not a passing trend porque uso ang magpaka-healthy. Naku, magpapaka-healthy ako, no. Kailangan nyo pong i-commit ang sarili ninyo to be healthy, no? To supplement. Kahit na sinasabi mo na, oh, hindi ko kailangan yan. Healthy ang lifestyle ko. How would you know? I'm eating fresh fruits and vegetable. Oo, yung mansanas nga ay ini-injectionan niya ng formalin para tumagal ang buhay niya, di ba? Para sa anong formalin? Para sa patay. Di ba? Pinapatay na tayo, buhay pa, right? So, there's no guarantee na kahit yung kinakain natin na vegetables and fruits fresh talaga. That's why we need supplementation. No? Yan. Okay, medyo nagtatagal tayo dun sa part na yun kasi para ma-appreciate ninyo. Ngayon, magdi-discuss tayo ng mga product na bagong labas lang. Actually, nag-umpisa tayo sa 17 and now we have more than 30 and ang dami pang, a lot of products are rolling out, no? Merong skincare, yan, meron dyan. Nako, yung Shilajit para sa allergy, tapos yung gut support product natin, andyan din, and then yung health, yung kitchen, yun, household items, yun, pwede din yun. No? Okay, ito pa, yung Lemonade Hydration Amplifier natin, napakaganda na ako. Talagang, yan sinasabi niya na improves energy and vibrance. Alam nyo, ang napansin ko dyan, nag-glow yung skin mo. Diba? Yan. And of course, mas clear yung mind mo, nakafocus ka, and then, ang daming benefits nito. Ang pinaka-main talaga nito is for our electrolytes talaga. Kasi kadalasan, no, nadideplete tayo ng electrolytes. Bakit, Janet? Pag pinapawisan ka, pag nag-i-smoke ka, pag nai-stress ka, yung everyday na stress mo, nakaka-deplete yun ng electrolytes. Kaya it is not enough na uminom ka ng tubig. You need the hydration amplifier, no? Yan. Kasi talagang binabalanse niya pati yung pH level mo, binabalanse niya yung anong tawag dito, yung sodium mo sa loob ng katawan. Yan. So, pag maganda, pag balanse lahat, maganda ang pakiramdam mo, di ba? Pag maganda ang pakiramdam mo, syempre, hindi ka bugnutin, maganda din ang pakikitungo mo sa mga tao, right? So, it balances your body's pH level. Kaya we call it the hydration amplifier. It amplifies everything, di ba? To make sure na ma-maximize yung ating cellular health and communication sa loob ng katawan natin. Di ba? Yan. Okay, so there are a lot more. Actually, we have the hormonal balance for women at meron din paparating for men kasi kailangan din natin yan. Meron din tayong lean, ayan, for body composition. Ako, wala ka talagang itulak kabigyan sa mga products natin. And by the way, Live Good is the next Amazon of social marketing. Ito pa, further, Live Good is the Amazon of, or will be the Amazon of network marketing. Yes, because we could have anything sa membership club natin. Ang goal ni Live Good is to put everything in our membership club. Kaya take note na ang Live Good hindi lang siya health and wellness company. It is not a collagen company, not a energy drink company, not a protein drink company. It is a club membership. Okay? And alam nyo ba yung latest, pati yung prescription space, tinap na rin natin. Kala ko ba, Janet, organic tayo, natural? No, don't be confused. Kasi po, ayan, example natin si Costco. Si Costco, malaking club yan, di ba? Sa loob po ng Costco, merong pharmacy. So, since membership club din tayo, ganun din po yun. Meron tayong room for prescription, meron tayong network of doctors. Siyempre, nagpe-prescribe yung mga yan. Meron tayong weight loss product na talagang tinitake na ng 41 million Americans. 41 million, user na yun hindi po target market yun, user na. So, yun yung reason bakit tinap ni Ben ng Live Good ang prescription space because of that weight loss drug. no? Ngayon, hindi po tayo nagpo-promote. We're not a proponent of drug, but ang message dito is kung itong 40 million members, 40 million na market na nadala sa LiveGood, because the product of that weight loss product, pag sa labas, nasa 399. Pag bibilin mo sa LiveGood, 199 lang. Exclusive yon. Exclusive distributor ang LiveGood dun sa product na yon. You can only avail that product when you become a member of LiveGood. Di ba? So, ano ang effect nun? Ang effect po nun, syempre, pag andito silang member ng LiveGood at gumagamit niyan, dito sila bumibili dahil mas mura, makikita nila ngayon yung ibang products. At magkakaroon ng transition. At makikita din nila na habang tinitake nila yung drug na yon, kasi pag nagtitake ka pala ng mga maintenance or yung mga prescriptive drug, ang daming nawawala din sa yung nutrients and minerals na kailangan mong mag-supplement, no? Kaya po, yun yung essence. The reason why I am explaining, kasi I'm pretty sure, kahit ho kayo, marami din distributors na nagtanong, ba't tayo nag-tap ng di ba, health and wellness tayo, di ba, organic, di ba, natural? So it is very important for you to understand this para alam nyo pong i-explain why we have that drug, why we have that product, no? Ayan, because kasama yun sa ating membership club. We are tapping everything. Yun nga, gusto natin, LiveGood want to put a lot para ma-maximize yung value ng membership natin, no? Yan. Okay, so the reason why nag-umpisa lang sa health and wellness product because of COVID. And of course, as an elevated awareness of preventative healthcare. So napaka-importante po yun. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Ibig sabihin, kailangan mong maging proactive, wag reactive, wag yung pag meron ka ng sakit, saka ka lang gagalaw. Okay? So, kaya po tayo nag-umpisa sa health and wellness because we need, first and foremost, we need to be healthy before even thinking about making money. Okay? I hope clear po yun, no? And of course, LiveGood will be your one-stop online wholesale superstore. And we just started with health and wellness. Later on, gaya po ng sabi ko, LiveGood want to put everything na kaya niyang ilagay sa ating membership club like travel, household products, nasa pipeline na, skincare. Itong August, ilalabas na, water filters and other online services. So, it is expected na magkakaroon tayo more or less ng 200 to 300 products hanggang 2025. And of course, nako, talagang it's so exciting. Yan. And I'll give you 6 reasons why you have to join LiveGood, no? Para mas makita nyo yung picture. Bakit ako? Ano ang value? Bakit ako mag-join sa ganitong membership club? No? Remember, we are a revolution. And what created LiveGood a revolution is the value na meron sa atin. Number 1, we have amazing products. More to come. Nag-umpisa tayo sa 17. Right now, nasa 30 na yata tayo. And parating pa yung maraming products. Number 2, we have wholesale pricing. Ibig sabihin, wala ngang price gouging, walang overpriced products. 3, we have a 90-day empty bottle money back guarantee. If you feel na hindi ka na-satisfy sa product, if you feel na it didn't do you any good, if you feel na hindi mo siya gusto, hindi mo gusto ang lasa, ang sabi ni Ben, we don't want to take your money if it did not benefit you. Just send us the empty bottle and we will refund your money. No questions asked. Diba? Yan. Number 4, nothing to buy or sell, no auto shipping. So, hindi ka obligadong bumili, pero pwede kang bumili anytime. Hindi ka obligadong magbenta, pero in case na gusto mong magbenta, it's all up to you. Ang point, hindi mandatory ang magbenta, hindi mandatory ang bumili as compared sa mga nasalihan natin ng mga previous companies, right? Relate kayo? Relate? Relate ho ba? Okay? Ayan. Andiyan pa ba kayo? Ayan. Mag-react kayo, no? Ayan. Para alam kong nakikinig pa po kayo dyan. Ayan. Salamat po sa mga relate na relate. Ayan. Relate daw si Ma'am Eden. Ayan, maraming salamat po Ma'am Eden. Ayan, very responsive si Ma'am Eden, no? Ayan. Yung mga iba, nasaan po? Gising pa kayo o gutom na kayo? Ayan. Okay, so magparamdam kayo, ha? Ayan. Okay, so ano pa? Fifth reason, we have a very powerful compensation plan. Very simple, doable, and of course, lucrative, very generous, no? Ayan, thank you. Tulog amo ko. Yan, Ma'am Lorna. Ayan. Okay, nakikinig po. Ayan. Ay, okay. Maraming salamat po. Ayan. So, mamaya di-discuss natin yung very powerful compensation plan natin. The doability factor ng ating compensation plan. Naku po, pag inaral nyo. And sixth reason, timing. Timing is everything. We just launched. Am I too late for Live Good? No. You are just on time. You are in the right place at the right time. Ang question, will you be the right person for this company? Malalaman natin yan, no? Later. Kayo ho ang makakasagot niyan, hindi ho ako ang sasagot. Okay? Ayan. So, ngayon, Janet, parang maganda na yung diniscuss mo. Sold na ako sa may-ari. Nakita ko, parang ang ganda ng leadership. And Janet, maganda yung product. Sold na sold ako. Ngayon, gusto ko nang mag-member. Ganito lang po yan. You can join this club in two ways. Either a member or an affiliate. Okay? Pag gusto mong i-enjoy yung products, then be a member for only 9.95 per month. And then you will have an access. You will have a lot of savings. Of course, pag kinumpare mo sa ibang company, talagang once you see Live Good, you can never unsee it. Yan ang i-guarantee ko po sa inyo. No? Halimbawa, yung CBD oil. Sa ibang company, or kahit maghanap ka po, $100 yan. Dito, $18. Oh. USDA certified, USDA approved, GMP certified. Ayaw mo pa? Di ba? Yan. Okay, so ganun yon pag member ka, ha? And then, eto ngayon, ang maganda, pwede ka ding mag-join sa Live Good as an affiliate. Oh, exciting to. Makinig kayo. Pag nag-join ka as an affiliate, ano naman ang benefit ko? Of course, number one, you will have your business. So pag affiliate member ka, or pag nag-join ka sa affiliate program ng Live Good, you will have your business para kang may franchise na gagawin mo in 230 countries. Ulitin ko, 230 countries. So, negosyo siya. Global business, 230 countries. Magkano ang puhunan mo? Pwedeng $49.95 or $139.95. Janet, bakit ganon? Kasi very flexible ang ginawa ni Ben. Kung wala ka pang budget, go with the $49.95. Pero kung seryoso kang gawin yung negosyo, kakaririn mo din lang, dun ka na. Para hindi ka na mamblema dun sa subscription mo every month, yung $139.95. Kasi pag yun ang pinili mo, done ka na for 1 year subscription, and then may discount ka pa na 20%. So lalabas na libre yung 2 months mo. No? Yung $49.95 every month, $9.95, $9.95. So mamaya nakalimutan mo and you are talking about business. Sabi ko may negosyo ito. Well, mas maganda dun ka sa $139.95 para nakakoncentrate ka in doing the business. And again, our business is global. Para kang may franchise. Every person na ma-sharean mo ng Live Good, para siyang franchise mo. And we are not talking of millions here. We're talking about how much? $49.95 or $139.95. 3,000 or 8,000. Saan ka nakakita ng negosyo na global na dollar na 8,000 ang puhunan mo? Tell me, anong klaseng negosyo, traditional business na merong puhunan ng 8,000? Sari-sari store. Anong itsura ng sari-sari store mo sa 8,000? Food cart business. Magkano ang food cart? Yung iyong permit, sanitary permit, roving permit, at kung ano-ano pang permit, yung ipapasweldo mo. Diba? So think about that. Hindi lang 8,000 ang puhunan mo dyan. And local business ka pa. Dito, international business. You could do the business in 230 countries. Japan, Australia, Canada, Kuwait, at kung ano-ano pang mga countries na meron sa Live Good. You could check the list. Diba? Ice candy. Ice candy. Pag nag-brown out, ma'am. No? Diba? Ice candy. Naku po. Natawa ako sa ice candy. Pwede, no? Ay, nako. Ayan. So, ako, madugo yun, mama. Okay? So, yan. As an affiliate, $49.95 or $139. Ang breakdown yan, yung $40, one-time fee lang yan. One-time, lifetime, forever. Yung $9.95, yun yung subscription fee mo na babayaran mo monthly. Ayun, Janet, ayoko yung paunti-unti. Gusto ko done na para makapag-concentrate ako sa business ko. Yes, I highly recommend yung $139.95. Okay? Now, Janet, okay, meron na akong $139.95. O Janet, meron na akong $49.95. Gusto ko nang mag-sign up eh. Okay, you just have to grab the link from the person that invited you here today. Kung may naka-live sa FB, kung sino yung nag-tag sa'yo sa FB, dito, kung sino yung nagyaya sa'yo dito, then that will be your sponsor. Siya yung nag-invite sa'yo. Kakailanganin mo siya when you register with Live Good. Now, Janet, may products ba? Physical products? Wala. Digital products? Meron. Kasi syempre, level up na po tayo, no? Nasa digital age na tayo. So, meron tayong digital products. We have your own website, your portal, kung saan gagawin mo yung business mo. So, you have your corporate site, your retail site, your Turlink site. Corporate site, makikita mo dyan yung difference ng members price and retail price. Yung retail site mo, para kang may Lazada site, Shopee site, Amazon site, very personalized. Ngayon, paano mo gagamitin yung retail site? In the event na may gustong bumili ng iyong product dahil ayaw mag-member, susubukan lang, send your retail site. Okay, Mare, nagustuhan mo yung kape? Okay, add to cart ka lang. Ito yung link ko, pindutin mo yan, and then hanapin mo dyan yung coffee, i-click mo, add to cart, i-deliver ni Live Good sa'yo. That means hindi ka mamumuhunan, hindi ka mapapagod mag-deliver, hindi ka mag-aabono at hindi pahirapan ng paniningil. Okay? And of course, yung Turlink site, yan yung franchising website mo kung saan you will have the opportunity to share it with those countries na meron si Live Good. Yun yung sinasabi natin na Turlink site, that will be your very personal website. Okay? So, halimbawa, Ma'am Antonieta Capote, yan. So, ang Turlink site mo is livegoodtour.com/ kung ano yung gusto mong username, yung pangalan nyo po or any username. So, isi-send mo to sa mga gusto mong yayain. Bakit mo sila yayayain? Well, probably gusto mong mabago din ang buhay nila or probably kasing sipag mo sila. Or probably, isa ka ding tao na gusto mong magbigay ng value at gusto mong bigyan siya ng isang negosyo na talagang makakapagpabago ng buhay niya. Yan ang purpose natin. Bakit natin i-share ang Live Good. Okay? So, ito na. Ito na, makinig na kayo. 7 ways to earn. Sa Live Good, we have 7. Actually, 8 ways yan. Pinagsama yung dalawa, dalawang bonus pool natin sa number 7. No? Kaya 7 ways to earn. So, ito po yun, no? Ayan, iisa-isahin natin yan. Although mag-deep dive tayo dito sa first 3, yung 4 to 7, dadaanan lang po natin yan kasi mabilis lang naman. Okay, so first way to earn is the weekly fast start commissions or the quick money. Bakit quick money? Kasi next week, makukuha mo na yan. Paano yan, Janet? Remember, yung Turlink site ninyo, yun ang gagamitin nyo po dito. Okay, ikaw po, for every person na sharean mo ng Live Good at nag-enroll siya, $49.95, di ba? Ang puhunan po, okay, shinare mo kay Kumare. Ngayon, excited din ako, gusto ko din Mare ng side hustle kagaya mo. And then, sige, sama tayo. Okay, $49.95. Sa Fast Start, you will get 50%. Magkano ang 50%? Ni-round off na po yan. So $50 divided by 2, 50% niyan is $25. Ngayon, na-excite ka. Marami ka palang kumare. Pinuntahan mo lahat ng mga batchmates mo, naka-close mo. Kumare mo din. Shinare mo sa 10 affiliates, no? Yan. So, 10 na yan. Nag-enroll sila, either $49.95 or $139.25 times 10. Then, you have $250 fast start bonus na makukuha mo next week. So, lahat ng pinasok nyo po from Thursday night up to ngayon, Thursday, US time po ha, cut off po natin ngayon hanggang mamayang 12 midnight sa US. Lahat po yan, makukuha niyo ang fast start bonus next week. Kaya tawag natin din yan, quick money. Okay? Ngayon, hindi po dyan nagtatapos ang weekly fast start natin kasi meron din po tayong ranking sa Live Good. Actually, meron tayong tinatawag na genealogy. No? Dalawa yan, Enroller 3 and the Matrix 3. Sa Enroller 3, dito nakabase yung ating weekly fast start kung saan, remember, lahat ng direct mo, 50% ka. Lahat, regardless kung anong rank mo, basta laging 50% yan. Ngayon, ang good news, dahil pwede kang mag-rank up dito, hindi nagtatapos sa 50% na commission. Once you reach bronze, yung pinaka-favorite nila Ben na rank, kasi dito, mag-momentum kayo, mag-uumpisa kang mag-momentum dyan eh. You will have additional 10%. Nako, Janet, paano mag-bronze? Baka naman ang hirap. Ang hirap nga po. Mag-share ka lang sa 2 tao, kasing sipag mo, kasing resilient mo, kasing pareho kayo ng mindset na gustong mabago ang buhay. No? Yan. So, share mo yan sa 2, bronze ka na po. Yan. So, syempre, pag bronze ka na po, ito yan. Gagayahin ka din nung 2 niyo pong kaibigan, di ba? Janet, bronze ka na. Gusto ko ding mag-bronze. So, syempre, magyayaya din yan ng 2. Ngayon, syempre, meron siyang $25 each. No? So, ano tong 10%? Yung mga ni-recruit ni-recruit or shineran nung pinag-sharean mo, siya may 50%, ikaw meron ka pong 10%. So, $5, may $10 ka doon sa 2. Ngayon, pag nag-rank up ka sa silver, ayan, lalalim uli ang overriding commission mo. So, the higher you rank up, no, mas malalim yung iyong overriding commission hanggang 10 levels deep. So, nakadepende ang fast start bonus, unang-una, sa ranking. The deeper it is, the higher your rank, the deeper yung iyong overriding commission. Siyempre, ang maganda dito is that Live Good rewards the action takers. Kaya very fair yung ating marketing plan. No, tandaan nyo, Live Good rewards the action takers. Yan. Okay? So, second way to earn the matrix commission. Remember, kanina binanggit natin ang enroller tree. Yung susunod na team building structure natin is the matrix tree. So, lahat tayo may sariling matrix. So, we are in one big matrix, pero tayo may individual matrix. Okay, so ganito po ang itsura ng matrix natin. Our matrix has 2 by 12, no? 2 wide hanggang 15 levels deep actually, pero mag-uumpisa tayo sa 2 by 12. Wherein spots are filled from top to bottom on a first come, okay, top to bottom, left to right, on a first come, first serve basis. Okay? Yan. So, ito ka. And then, yung first level mo, di ba, 2 by 12. Yung front line mo, 2. Hindi 3. Second level mo, 4. Kasi nga po, power of 2. 2, 4. Yung third level mo, ilan na? 8. Yung fourth level mo, 16. Yung fifth level mo, 32. 64. 128. Ayan. So, since 2 by 12, yung una na ang tawag nito, matrix 3 natin, no? Matrix 2x12. Pag unrank ka pa, pag hanggang 12 level yan, magkakaroon ka ng 8,192 members sa matrix 3 mo. Pag puno na yung matrix mo. Ngayon, ang matrix commission, paano mo kukunin yan? Ang sinasabi, 2.5% from every 9.95 membership, meron kang 25 cents. No? Yun yung 2.5% ng 9.95 membership. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga tao in your team, whether direct or hindi, at nagbabayad sila ng 9.95, meron kang 2.5% or 25 cents sa bawat tao na papasok sa matrix mo, regardless kung anong level sila. Mga pa first level, second level, third level, fourth level, kahit pa nasa pinaka 12 level yan or 15.25 cents po lahat yan. Okay? Yan ang computation ng matrix commission. So, saan ka nakakita? Si Netflix, nagbabayad ka ng 9.95, binigyan ka ba? Kahit 5 duling, diba wala? But with Live Good, lahat na nagbabayad ng 9.95, meron kang 2.5% or 0.25 cents or 14 pesos, no? Janet, kailangan ba manggaling sa akin lahat yung nasa matrix ko? No. There will come a time na manggagaling yan either, of course, within your team or following always the enroller tree. Ngayon, ang condition is meron yung time na nanggagaling sa enroller tree or hindi galing sa'yo, meron tinatawag na spillover, but spillovers are bonuses. Ngayon, kung ikaw malakas mag-spill, ikaw yung spillover maker, most likely, wala kang spillover. And alam nyo ba, ang spillover, pampagulo din ng diskarte. Like for example, ikaw to, ang bagal mong kumuha ng dalawa. Ngayon, hindi mo alam, merong na-spill sa'yo na nanggaling sa enroller tree mo. O imbis na mailagay mo yung family mo dyan o yung masipag sa'yo. Tapos ang nailagay na spill sa'yo, hindi siya kasing sipag mo. Di ba? Yan ang titignan nyo po. No? Kaya, again, ang spillovers are just bonuses. This is actually, ang matrix commission is the slow way to build the business. So, wag nyo hong karirir po ito dahil po ito long-term retirement bonus, retirement income natin to. And it is the slow way to build the business. No? If you want to do this business, the Live Good business, do it the fast way. No? Although, ang potential income ng ating matrix commission are this one, depende sa rank mo, no? Pero, it would take time. Gaya po ng sabi natin, yung 2x12, yung 12 level, ilang tao yan? 8,192. No? I-divide mo yon 8,192 divided by 0.25, yan, ay times 0.25, I mean, kaya meron kang 2,047. Pero 8,192 na tao yon. So it will take time before na ma-perfect yung ating matrix. The good news is hindi kailangang ma-perfect yung matrix para makatanggap ka ng commission. So kung dalawa, then you get 50 cents. Kung 4 ang nasa matrix mo, then you get $1. So the good thing about this is it can develop over time, no? Nag-uumpisa siya sa maliit hanggang sa palaki ng palaki for as long as you are consistent doing the business, for as long as yung mga subscriber mo nagbabayad ng 9.95. So the secret para maging consistent yan is of course, you have to pay your subscription. Okay? Yan. So from 2,047 up to 16,383.50 depende sa rank mo. And again, pag puno ang matrix mo. So these figures are just potential income possibility, no? And it will take time. Kung itatanong niyo po sa akin kung kailan natin makukuha yan, I cannot even say because it is the system that assigns the people na pupunta sa matrix mo. Right? They will assign it. It will go under the person na andoon na. Okay? Now, the good news is, we have the fast way to build the business. Pag ginawa mo ang Live Good, pag nagnegosyo ka, hindi ba gusto mo mag-thrive yung business mo? Gusto mong mamayagpag yung business mo? might as well do it the fast way. And the fast way to do the business is to share it. Because when you share it, then you are capable or you are eligible to receive the matching bonuses. Ngayon, kung balak mo lang mag-antay, balak mo lang panoorin kung ano nangyayari sa Live Good, then wala tayong pag-uusapang matching bonuses because matching bonuses are for the affiliates na nag-share ng business. Why? Because the matching bonuses is actually by far the most exciting part of the compensation plan. Kung halimbawa, lahat ng personal or shineran mo ng Live Good business, in turn, no? Ang matching bonus ganito yan. You will have a share. The company will match 50% of their matrix pay. No? So, mamatchan. Hindi yung paparisan at tatapatan ni Live Good lahat ng 50% ng matrix pay sa lahat ng mga taong pinag-sharean mo ng Live Good. Okay? Tatapatan, hindi po niya babawasin dun sa matrix income ng direct mo. Tatapatan niya ang 50% ng matrix pay niya. Okay, ngayon, ito maganda. Kasi bukod doon sa tatapatan niya yung 50%, meron ka pang generational bonus. Nangyayari yan pag silver rank ka. No? Ayan. So, paano yan? Okay, habang nagra-rank up ka, you are being paid further matching bonuses deep within your organization. No? So, unlimited depth yan. And we are talking about generation here, hindi level. Ibig sabihin, buong ang kanyan. No? Yan. So, halimbawa, okay, ito. Personally enrolled mo, di ba may 50% ka. Ngayon, mag-uumpisa ang generational bonus pag silver ka. Pag silver ka, meron kang 10% sa first generation mo and 10% sa second generation. Sino ang mga first generation mo? So remember, yung direct mo is your personally sponsored, right? Personally enrolled. Ang first generation mo, no? Yung direct ng direct. Ganun po yun. Okay? And so on and so forth. Ngayon, pag gold ka, meron kang additional 5% up to third generation. So, anak ng anak ng anak mo. Buong henerasyon. Pag platinum ka, hanggang fourth generation. Okay? Yan. Additional 5%. At pag diamond ka, 5 hanggang fifth generation. So, pag diamond ka, meron ka ng 50, meron ka pang 10, meron ka pang 5, another 5, and another 3 sa buong generation hanggang 5th generation mo. Ganon kalaki, no? Ayoko po kayong i-overwhelm, but this is how huge the matching bonuses is, no? Yan, example na lang tayo. Sa 50% lang muna tayo mag-compute sa ano po, no? 10 people. Ngayon, yung 10 tao yan na personally in-enroll mo, personally shineran mo ng Live Good, meron silang $200 matrix. How does the matching bonus works? 50% ng $200. Ilan? 100. 10 sila. So, 100 times 10 is $1,000. Sa 10 tao pa lang po yan. Ngayon, meron kang 20, hindi ka nakontento sa 10, o kaya talagang nakadabalitaan nila, Janet, sali naman ako dyan. Okay, so meron ka ngayong 20 people, na-excite lahat, nagkaroon ng 1,000 matrix bawat isa. 50% of that, how much? $500. Dahil direct mo sila, 50%, $500, ilan sila? 20. Then you get $10,000. Ganon po yon. So, ang good news about matching bonus, walang limit. You can sponsor as many direct as you can. You can share as many direct with as many direct as you can. Unlimited, limitless. So, the more you share, the more na nagkakaroon ng or na-open ang gateway mo for your matching and generational bonuses. No? Yan. Okay. So example, para mas makita nyo how does the power of matching bonus works. Ito, personally enrolled, meaning yung pinag-sharean mo directly, Ito po yung matrix income niya. Tignan nyo. Ito galing po talaga sa back office to at 295.25. Ilan ang 50% niyan? Dahil direct mo siya 50% ng 295.25, 147.62. Ito pa yung mga ibang direct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, ibig sabihin, dito sa slide na to, 7 ang direct niya. Ngayon, ito yung mga matrix income ng mga direct niya. 50% of that, minatch ni company. Bibigyan ka. Kalahati. No? Minatch niya ang kalahati ng matrix income. Okay? So, ito, merong silver sa second generation. So, ilan uli yung silver? 10%, right? So, ilan ang 10%? Ito ang matrix income ni silver na nasa second gen mo. 300.38. 10%. 33.83. Meron another silver uli na nasa second gen. Ito uli silver. So ilan ang silver niya na humahataw? 3 na nasa second generation. 10%. Buong henerasyon nga po. Itong good news. Meron na naman siyang platinum sa first generation niya. 5%. 338. Itong good news uli. Gold first generation. 5% uli yan. 16.91. Ganon po ka-profitable, ganon po ka-lucrative ang matching bonuses, no? So hindi na natin i-detalye yan, just to give you a brief view kung ano ang example ng mga matching bonuses. Okay? So fourth way to earn is the retail commission. Madali lang yan. If you feel or if you want or talagang dahil may background ka sa Sara Lee, Avon, lahat na Tupperware at magaling ka talaga sa direct selling, hindi ka binabawalang mag-retail, no? So, syempre, pag nag-retail ka, magkakaroon ka ng retail commissions. And take note, hindi po tayo kumikita sa mga downlines natin, hindi natin sila pinagkakakitaan, no? Yan. So, ito po ay para sa mga tao na pupunta sa retail site mo, na gustong bumili ng product dahil ayaw pa nilang mag-join. So, paano ang computation? Kukunin lang yung difference ng retail price and members price. So, kung yung coffee, $28, yung retail price, members price is 18. So, ilan ang difference doon? $10. Yung $10 na yon, maghahati kayo ni Live Good. Ganon. Ganon po ang computation ng retail commission. Depende uli yan. Lumalaki ang retail commission mo. Lumalalim din, depende sa rank po natin. Okay? Yan. Okay, and also customer acquisition bonuses. Janet, ano yan? Ito naman po ay para sa mga direct natin na nag-purchase for the first time. Okay, so halimbawa, ikaw po, meron ka pong pinag-direct. Tapos nag-purchase siya for the first time, meron kang customer acquisition bonuses. No? So 10% nun, halimbawa, 200 yung first purchase niya. Kunin mo yung 10%, $20. Yung $20 na yon, 50% following the fast start, di ba? So $20, 50% nun is 10. Yung $10 mapupunta sa'yo. Yung $10 kung saan yung dadaanan nung fast start commission na yon, dun sa enroller 3, no? Kung saan ang dadaanan nun, doon maghahati-hati doon sa $10. Ganun po yon. So, possible na kahit hindi galing sa'yo, pwede kang kumita. Yan, okay? Number 3, 6 na tayo, influencer bonuses. Kung ikaw yung mahilig mag-promote ng products sa TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, ano man yung platform na gusto mo, well, may additional kang influencer bonuses pag na-meet mo yung total retails for the month. From 2,500, additional 10%, 60%. Kasi di ba may 50% ka. Plus 10, 60. Ngayon, pag na-reach mo yung 50,000, then additional 50%, making it 100%. No? Yan. So, later on, mas maiintindihan niyo yan as we deep dive. Pag meron na kayong ganyan, lahat naman po well accounted for. Okay? And number 7, we have the Diamond and Crown Diamond bonus pool. We all want to be diamond, right? So sa 42 o sa nandito sa Zoom, no? Ilan ang gustong mag-diamond? You should claim that you are a diamond ngayon pa lang, no? Dapat doon ka tawag dito? I-declare mo na diamond ka, no? Sino po ang gustong mag-diamond sa 41 na to? Meron ba? Sige nga, para makita ko. Nako, si Ma'am Juvie. Yes, of course, si Ma'am Eden. Nako po, sila ang talagang magda-diamond. Ayan, super ganda. Oo, ma'am, talagang maganda yung product. Okay? So, nako, dalawa lang gusto mag-diamond dito. Lagot kayo. Sige, mag-type. Ayan. Ay, sorry. Ayan, tuloy. Okay, salamat po. Ma'am Lorna Chuchia, Sir Ma'am Reggie o Sir Reggie. Yes, road to diamond. Ayan, sa lahat ng we declare that you are a diamond. Wala tayong magagawa eh. Inevitable talaga magda-diamond. The question na lang is kung when tayo magda-diamond, di ba? Yes to diamond, sabi ni Ma'am Dang. Ayan. Buti nagkaroon ka ng time ngayon, Ma'am Dang, ano? Ayan, thank you. Ayan, so syempre, ayan, sige, claim it. Ma'am Florida, Ma'am Mercy. Ayan, let's all claim it. Alam niyo ba, napaka-importante ang declaration, napaka-importante ang manifestation. You have to manifest, attract, and create. You can only manifest pag in-accept mo sa mind mo that you are going to be a diamond. Kaya napaka-importante po ang manifestation. No? Okay, pag diamond rank ka, you will share in 2% of all the total company sales every month, including all memberships. So, ibig sabihin nun, halimbawa, ang sales for the month is 15 million, 2% of that, kunin mo, and then whatever the total, 2% ng $15 million, paghahatian ng lahat ng diamond. Ganun po yan, no? So if there are 60 diamonds, ano man yung 2% ng 15 million, then hahatiin nila. Okay? Ayan, andyan si Sir Freddy. Hi. Okay po. And then, ito naman, yung next, as a crown diamond naman, meron din tayong crown diamond bonus pool. And the maganda nito, you will also share in a further 0.5% of all the sales every month. No? Alam naman natin na dalawa lang ang ating crown diamond. We have Tim Miller and of course our very own Coach Fernan Santiago, di ba? Yan. So halimbawa, 15 million yung sales. Kunin yung 0.5% niyan. Roughly about $75,000, right? I-divide dahil dalawa lang sila. So each of them will have $37,500. Okay? Granted na yun yung ang sales is 15 million. Pero I'm not saying na yun ang kanilang crown diamond bonus pool. Nag-sample lang tayo. The good news is itong diamond and bonus pool, bukod pa dyan, meron pa tayong fast start, matrix commission, matching bonuses, generational bonuses, retail commission, influencer bonuses, and cap. So, yun, di ba? Iba yung diamond bonus pool and crown diamond bonus pool doon sa on top, marireceive pa on top of the other bonuses. Di ba? Yan. Okay, so just to give you a random look of the rank. So bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond. So ito lang, if enroll 2, you become bronze. Affiliates or members. Silver, total team of 20. Yan. And then, pwedeng 10 personally enrolled. So, 10 ang ina-enroll mo, personal. And then, total of 20, then you become silver. Ngayon, pwede din na 3 bronze. So, kanina, di ba, 2 yung bronze mo. Dagdagan mo lang ng isa. And then, total of team 20. So, syempre, saan ang galing yung iba? Kung 3 bronze lang yan, 2, 2, 2, di ba, 6? So, yung 14, galing na sa mga anak-anak nung 3 team mo. Okay? And then, merong third option dyan. Like, halimbawa, ikaw yung ma-influensya na tao na talagang lahat is talagang gustong sumali sa'yo. Then, pwede din na 20 direct, then pwede kang mag-rank up sa silver. Okay? So, 3 options yon. Ngayon, pag gold naman, naalala nyo po, di ba, 3 bronze kanina, gawin nyo pong silver, yung 3 ninyo, and then total team of 100. Pwede ka nang mag-gold. Second option, 30 na ikaw ang nag-personally enroll plus total team of 100, no? I mean, total team of 100 kasama yung 30 mo. Okay? Kasama yung 30 personal enrolled mo. Ngayon, yan yung second way for you to get gold. Third option para maging gold, pwedeng, halimbawa, wala kang napag-rank up na silver, pero marami kang grupo, like lahat sila, may kanya-kanyang grupo dyan. O kaya kung ilang legs yan na ginawa mo, basta total team of 100, then you are gold, no? Yan. Na ngayon, platinum, paano naman? Yung tatlong silver mo, gawin mong gold and a total team of 500. No? Kasama yan sa 3 gold mo, syempre. Counted po yan. Or, pwede din na kung meron kang 100 personally direct at total team ng 500, platinum ka pa rin. No? Yan. And third, ayan, yun lang pala. Or, pwede din iba-ibang leg yan, tapos may total na 500. Kung halimbawang wala kang mapag-rank up ng gold, so i-add up lang yon. And take note, pag platinum ka, ang minimum is like 150, 150, 150 pag tatlong leg, no? Ngayon, kung basta ang minimum bawat leg is 150, kaya kung 200 yung isang leg mo, 150 lang ang i-count. Kaya the more lines meron ka, then mas madaling ma-achieve yung 500. And then, yung next rank, diamond, 3 platinum, gawin mo lang platinum yung gold mo, plus total of 2,500. Ang pinaka-minimum maximum ng isang leg is 500. No? Yan, so it's either mag-power of 5 ka, 500, 500, 500, 500, or it's either kung power of 10, then tig to 250, kung wala tayong mapag-platinum in the team. No? Yan, 3 platinum, basta ang total, 2,500. And of course, the crown diamond, total team of 50,000 with no more than 10,000 counting from any individual enroller tree. So, ibig sabihin nun, kailangan yung 50,000 spread yan. Ang maximum bawat leg is 10,000. Kung halimbawang 14,000 yan, ang makakount ng 14. Bakit dinesign na ganun? Para suportahan mo yung mga ibang leg mo. Ganun po yun. Okay, so I'm almost done. And I want to thank you, no? Yan, ang advice ko lang po sa inyo, do not analyze too much, do not overthink too much. Just start. We are in a solid ground. We have a very simple, again, doable and lucrative compensation plan. The mission of Live Good is to get everyone healthy and stay healthy without spending a fortune to do it. And the vision is for us to have a solid residual, to get everyone to have a solid residual income. No? Either gawin mo siyang side hustle, gawin mo siyang i-career mo siya, it's all up to you. Ang maganda niyan is just start, no? Do not analyze too much. Just have the desire to join us and then learn the business. Okay? So, ang payo ko lang po dito, you only have, this is your roadmap to success with Live Good. You only have to follow the GPS, get in, plug in, stay in, get in, not today, do not delay, not tomorrow, but today. Do not delay, no? Get in now. Sayang oras. Time, napaka-importante po, no, ng time. And then plug in. When we say plug in, learn the business, learn your back office within the next 24 to 48 hours. What do you have to learn the back office para may ma-share kayo? And then attend trainings. Plugging in means attend trainings, attend Zoom meetings, and then attend the corporate team meeting. Si Ben, andyan sila, Thursday and Friday, si Liza, every Monday, Liza and Dr. Ryan sa Product Focus. And of course, we have everyday Zoom, 2 sets, and then Thursday and Friday, 3 sets. So, andyan na po lahat ng ng avenue, andyan na lahat. Ima-master nyo lang paano mag-present. If you can't present it, bring them to the Zoom. We will do it for you. But make sure that next time you also have to learn it, because once na may sponsoran ka, then accountable ka din. So you take ownership, you take accountability sa negosyong ito. Hindi pwedeng iasa kay upline, although the upline will be there to support you, but this is your business. And 3, stay in, pay your subscription. Yung subscription natin, syempre, yun ang kakailanganin natin. It's like saying na this is your, kumbaga, operational expense mo, right? Sa isang negosyo, merong mga operational expenses. So consider the subscription as your operational expense na darating yung time na actually ang subscription mo lalabas na libre yan because one day you will find out mas malaking malayo na yung income mo kesa doon sa subscription na $9.95. And there is so much value with the $9.95. We have a lot things coming. We have the funnel system. We will have the co-op. We will have, nako, it will be easy for us. Ang daming tools, ang daming mga marketing tools na ibibigay si Ben. Maraming plano. Ang importante, you just have to learn the business. Again, GPS. Get in, plug in, and stay in. And to conclude this presentation, no, I would like to say that the only thing worse than being blind is having sight but no vision. Mas daig mo pa ang bulag kung meron kang mata pero hindi mo nakita yung vision ni Live Good, no? Ayan po. So, ito pa ang may advice ko, no? Ayan, so August na po tayo, nasa month of August na po tayo ngayon, no? So dapat itong first day ng August, no, naka-momentum na po tayo. So ano yung imo-momentum mo? Alam niyo po, ang daming mga plano si Ben, no? So you just have to align yourself. Importante. Remember August, no? May pinost po ako kanina. August. So, gumawa po tayo ng acronym dyan. So, August, you have to align yourself. We need alignments. Anong i-align mo? Yung mga aspirations mo, yung dreams mo. No? You have to align your aspirations with your values and passions. Take time to collect on what drives you. Ano ba yung nakakapag-inspire sa'yo ngayon? You have to take time, hanapin mo na yon. You have to have clarity and purpose. Bakit mo gagawin ang Live Good? And then, alignment. You unleash your potential by what? Kung halimbawang kayo andito na, i-realign nyo yung mga goals nyo. Kung hindi nyo na-hit yung mga goals nyo last month, try to realign them and then try to prioritize what needs to be prioritized, no? Ayan, and then, of course, kung merong nakakapag-hold back sa'yo last month, break free from all those things that hold you back. Janet, nalagasan ako ng then you need to realign. There's always opportunity in every crisis. No? Ang opportunity mo, pag nalagasan ka, you have the opportunity to find another one again. And who knows, yung mga mahahanap mo, yun talaga yung mga taong para sa'yo. Right? Yan. So, just break free from all those distractions. Maraming mga distractions dyan sa social media. Wag ho kayong masyadong naka-anchor sa social media. Just focus on the value that we have here and Live Good. That's you. Ano yung susunod sa A, U, G? Okay, gain clarity. Dapat malinaw sa'yo bakit mo ginagawa ang Live Good. And then focus. Not only focus, laser focus. Not only laser focus, pero hyper focus. No, set clear objectives and then you try to visualize success. Now, magsasucceed ka dito. When you are clear about anything, madali sa'yo mag-decide, madali sa'yo magplano, yung taking action mo, manageable, and then yung result mo, eventually, darating yan. Okay, so, excuse me. So, nasa, na tayo ha? Unwavering commitment. Discipline yourself to have an unwavering commitment. Disiplinahin nyo ang sarili po ninyo. Always value your integrity. That is discipline, no? Yan. So, also commit yourself to taking action, no? The only way that creates momentum is taking action. What creates momentum is taking action, diba? Of course, and always turn your dreams into reality. Yan. And of course, always sustain your momentum, no? Kaya nga sabi ko po August na pero kailangan naka-momentum na tayo ngayon. There are a lot of things coming. So, maybe tonight may maririnig kayong good news pero it's not for me to say it. Basta dapat naka-momentum po tayo and then be aligned with our slogan, di ba? enroll 2 per week, enroll 2 for life. And then, 2 ka na. Ayan, enroll. If you enroll 2, affiliates get 2. Ayan, mamaya, it's Coach Fernanda ang mag-a-announce. Di ba? Ayan. Okay, so ano pa? Tapos na sustain. Naisulat nyo ba? S, sustain your momentum. And then T, transform your life through purposeful progress. So dapat, again, may progress ka. Stop making excuses, rather make progress, no? Celebrate your achievements and continue striving to excellence. Always show up in excellence. Yung posture ninyo, the way you can only be confident when you know your business, and confidence is equals competent. Pag confident ka sa sarili mo dahil alam mo yung negosyo mo, then you can be competent. And pag competent ka, well, people, of course, will join you. Hindi ko ba? So, embrace the power of the month of August. Embrace the power of August and make the month of it a catalyst. So, yun yung catalyst mo. Yun yung fuel mo for growth, transformation, and success. So, yun lamang po. Thank you for listening to me, and see you all at the top. This is your coach, your friend, and your presenter for today, Coach Janet, saying maraming salamat and see you at the top. Yan. Okay, we're done.